In this video, we're going to discuss how to create a new row and column report. So we're going to select that and the report type and the module of accounts, and we're going to filter by the billing postal code. So we're going to type in select billing postal code and say equals 77201. We're also going to make this filter a runtime filter, which enables you to quickly change filter values without having to edit the entire report again. And then we're going to add another filter of billing city. And we're going to say that equals Houston and also make that a runtime filter. And then we're going to select assigned user. So if I go and search for assigned user in accounts, it's not going to be there. It's in a related module. So I select in related module assigned to user and then select username. And in this case, we're going to keep it at current user. So that way, any user that looks at this report that Jim's creating will see their records rather than Jim's records. Then we're going to go to the next step, which is choosing the display columns. And we're going to have a few columns. We're going to have date created, the name of the account, the billing city, the billing state, industry, and who the record is assigned to, in case someone's searching by someone else besides themselves. And we're going to change the label to say assigned to rather than username, in case someone else is looking at our report. Then we're going to go to the next step, which is naming our report. We're going to call this My Customers by Area. And then it's assigned to Jim. That's who's creating. The team that can see it is global. That means everyone. We can decide if we want records to display that may not have an assigned user. So check mark the box if you're okay seeing the record, even though it's not assigned to someone. Now, this particular report, we may not want to do that, but if in doubt, check mark the box. Okay. And then we're going to click preview to see what the report may look like. And then we're going to click save and run. And once the report displays, you can see the same data from the preview and also the runtime filters. And I'm going to mark this report as my favorite.